All Jamaicans salute Cavaliers FC for a brave showing against Inter Miami in the round of 16 of the Concacaf Champions Cup. There were two controversial moments that we want to take a closer look at. First, this goal scored by Cavaliers at the end of the first half.
Maybe the last action of the first half. Free kick swung in. Great ball. Back post. It's in the back of the net. They may be Cinderella, but it's far from midnight.
Why exactly was it disallowed? Was it for offside or something else?
Well, he's in an offside position there, but the question is he involved in the play? Is he interfering with play?
Right. And so this is probably the best angle.
Does he make contact? Doesn't look like it there. Decisive moment in this first half. After review, it is offside and no goal.
Then there was this opening goal by Inter Miami in the second half.
Did it stay in play? It's put back in the middle. Live at the edge of the six, and it's put home. And Inter Miami in front.
Did this ball stay in play or did it not? Let's take a closer look. What do you think? Never give up, boys. The fight goes on.